In this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can set up automatic opt-out and sender information for sending SMS and MMS campaigns. Staying compliant with regulations can be complex, especially when managing multiple campaigns. So let me show you how you can stay compliant, consistent, and carrier approved without any extra effort. First, we want to navigate to Settings bottom left. Then select Phone System on the left. Then you want to click on Messaging at the top and select Messaging Compliance. And right here, we can adjust the opt-out language. Right now, at the end of the message, you will see the sentence reply stop to unsubscribe, as well as thanks and then your brand name. Now, if you would like to customize this, you can click on Customize and just edit your opt-out message. Once done, you can change stop, for example, to stop all, cancel, unsubscribe, and or quit. Once you adjusted everything, hit Save, and then go ahead and customize your brand name if it's not correct, if you want to change anything, or maybe if you want to add your name as well. Next up, you can enable periodic opt-out. However, you can change this number, of course, starting from 1 and going to 60. Let's say we want to add 60 days and then hit Save. This ensures the compliance by automatically adding an opt-out instruction to the first promotional message, and again at these regular intervals. So every 60 days, it will send another message with the above, hey, reply stop to unsubscribe and thanks your brand name. Scrolling further down, you can also choose to block any SMS or MMS to go out to Texas recipients or from Texas area code numbers. This rule then applies for bulk messages only. The one-to-one messages, if you're chatting with somebody, that will still go through. Now, if you don't want to turn on the periodic opt-out and you just want it to go out within the first message, you just uncheck this. And that's it. This feature does not update previous conversations. This automation only applies to new and ongoing conversations. Carriers often filter or block messages that do not have the sender information or opt-out language attached to their messages. By keeping your message compliant and updated, this feature will help you to reach higher deliverability rates and prevents carrier penalties or even message suppressions. Well, I hope you like this feature, and be sure to check out our links in the description below because you can snag free bonuses and free snapshots. I will see you there.